Hi friends, welcome back to my another video, and today I will going to replace my parking light, which is side light of car, with this bulb. This is white LED bulb, and let us show you the older one. So as you can see, this part here is a halogen bulb. Let's turn it on. As you can see, this one is halogen bulb. So today we will going to replace it with this LED bulb. So let's do it without wasting time. So let's turn me off this light and glow bulb. Yeah. So what do I need to do is I have to open one push lock from here, which I have opened earlier. I have to pull it off and remove the holder. So let's do this part quickly. So I have removed this holder. I just simply have to plug this out and keep it aside, and I have to place this as a manner I have removed that older one. So I have placed it. Let's check it first. So turn off the light and just turn on. So it's perfectly fine. So let's put it on its place. So friends, I have placed that bulb, and let me just cover this. It's fine now. So let's check the bulb. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Let me just turn off the fog lamp. Here it looks. This one is from other side. So trust me friends, this is a good product, and the link of this product you will get in description box down below. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe for this type of videos. Thank you.